Asari ship designs. You ever notice the key difference in Asari ship design from other console races? The Asari ships have holes in the middle of them. I have a few in-universe fan theories to explain why. Now hear me out all the way through because sometimes people get mad about vaginas. In the real world, there is a theory that the majority of human-made creations are phallic, as in, they are shaped like a penis. It is theorized to be because society has traditionally been dominated by men being the inventors because women were not educated or allowed into those fields of study, so men made everything a penis. This is a real-world theory that I think Bioware could have used as an inspiration on how the Asari design things. The Asari are an all-female race with a human-like feminine form. It would make sense that their way of thinking would be centric to their genitals as well, so having a hole in the middle of their warships makes sense to their way of thinking. But Mari, how could they have achieved flight in the first place with that way of thinking? There is no lift. Surely a hole in the middle of a ship is not efficient. The Asari never needed to master lift like humans did. They already had it. Humans had to master lift by propelling themselves and using air resistance to climb higher, while the Asari never had to do that. Thessia is an element zero rich world, and all the creatures from Thessia are natural biotics, so the Asari already had the ability to float and lift. They just needed a way to sustain flight. And funny enough, the most efficient design for propelled flight is a yonic design, not a phallic one. If the Asari don't need to worry about having wings to give their design lift, they are much more free to design the propulsion. Here is a type of paper airplane that is actually tube-like. It flies much further and faster than its traditional counterpart. All it needs is a push. This design stays in the air much longer with less effort. On a side note, if you ever want to know what a Mass Effect species' genitals look like, all you have to do is look at their warships.